Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but none of the network apps like browsers or games online doesn't work on a Chuwi GemiBook Pro. And to do this, let's start our Microsoft Edge. Just to show you, we can go and start without the data, confirm continue. And now if we try to reach any website like YouTube, it doesn't work. And to fix this issue, let's close our Microsoft Edge and open the Start. Go to the settings and locate the time and language, then date and time, and here set time automatically and wait a few moments. You can give it even around 5 minutes because the time needs to synchronize, and when it does, your browser or any other apps should be back online. So let's try Microsoft Edge now. Not sure if it will work now, but we can always try. Yeah, I think it should work great. Yep, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.